Hello dear students, welcome to Magic Mind Online Classes YouTube channel. This is your sir Prashanth Reddy sir. So today in this video we will be discussing fifth exercise of a first chapter from R.D.SHARMA textbook of 6th standard. Okay, in the previous videos already we discussed 4 exercises. Now this is your fifth exercise. So here is your first question. So what is the first question? How many milligrams make 1 kilogram? How many milligrams make 1 kilogram means indirectly we have to convert kilograms into milligrams. Okay, for that what you have to do? So first of all 1 kilogram, 1 kg we are converting into grams. 1 kg means indirectly how many grams here? 1000 grams. Now 1 gram we are converting into milligrams. So 1 gram means how many milligrams we can say? 1000 milligrams we can say. So now we are converting 1 kg into milligrams means first kgs are converting into grams, then grams are converting into milligrams. Therefore 3 zeros and 3 zeros means simply what you are getting here? 10 lakhs milligrams we can say. Therefore 1 kg is equal to how many milligrams? 1 kg is equal to 10 lakhs milligrams. I hope you understood question number 1. Very easy question. Very easy question. You need not to worry about that. Okay, you should know these conversions. You should know these units from kg to grams, grams to milligrams, and kilometers to meters, meters to centimeters, centimeters to decimeters. Okay, all these things you should know. Okay, now let's see. So here is your second question. What is second question? A box of medicine tablets contain 2 lakh tablets, each weighing 20 mg, 20 milligrams. What is the total weight of all the tablets in the box in grams as well as in kilograms? He wants to answer in grams as well as what we can say in kilograms also. So both he required here. Very simple question. Again, these questions are based on what we can say units only. First we write a box of medicine tablets contain 2 lakhs tablets. So total tablets, how much he mentioned here? Total tablets. So let us write here total tablets is equal to 2 lakhs tablets. Okay, 2 lakhs tablets. And each worth how much here? Each weighing 20 milligrams. Each weighing 20 milligrams. That's why first we have to express this in what we can say. He asked to express in grams, and again from the grams he asked to express in what we can say kilograms also. Very simple. Now there is a relation between grams and milligrams. Grams and milligrams, like previous question only. So now let's see how to answer this question. Very simple. First what we do is we have to express in terms of milligrams. Total milligrams we have to express. Total mg. Mg stands for milligrams. How many tablets we have? 2 lakhs tablets we have, and each tablet weighing how many milligrams here? So 20 milligrams. That's why 2 lakhs into 20 we can take. So 2 lakhs into 20 means simply 2 2s are 4 we have. So 1 2 3. Here we have 5 zeros and here 1 0. Therefore total we have 6 zeros. Total we have what we can say 6 different zeros. So 6 zeros, not different. There is no meaning of saying that 6 zeros. So indirectly what does it mean? This is the total weight of the all 2 lakhs tablets. This is the total weight of all 2 lakhs tablets. But he asked to express this in terms of grams as well as what we can say kilograms. That is very important. Already we know one thing here. What it is? So here 1 gram. 1 gram we will see in terms of kilograms. Sorry, 1 gram we are going to see in terms of milligrams. So what does it mean? 1 gram means how many milligrams here? 1000 milligrams. 1000 milligrams. That's why. So here how many we have? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 7 means in the sense 4 crore milligrams. 4 crore milligrams. So 4 crore milligrams. Yeah, 4 crore milligrams is how many grams means simply what you have to do? We have to divide 1 2 3 4 5 6 zeros divided by what we can say 1000 milligrams. Okay, so you are going to get total in terms of what we can say grams. Total in terms of grams. So here simple, we can cancel 3 zeros and 3 zeros. Therefore what we are getting? 4 3 zeros only I cancelled here. 1 more 0 is there. Therefore 4000 grams we can say. 4000 grams we can say. So first I expressed milligrams into what we can say grams. Okay, then I asked to express in terms of kilograms also. So now second part, kilograms means already we know 4000 grams. 4000 grams. 4000 grams is nothing but how many kilograms? 4 kilograms, which means 4 kg. How can you say 1 kg? 1 kg is equal to 1000 grams, that everybody knows. Then 4000 grams is how many kgs means simply we can take 4000 by 1000, which is equal to 4 kg. Okay, so I hope you understood. 4 kg is the answer for this, or else 4000 grams by 4000 by 1000, which is nothing but 4 kg. So 4 kg, and the next what we can say 4000 grams. I hope you understood. I expressed these tablets weights in terms of grams as well as kilograms. Okay, let's see. So I don't have separate, let's see again. Okay, I don't have separate space. I have to discuss next question. It's here itself. Now we are going to discuss question number 3. Third question we are going to see. I'm writing third question solution here. Let's see what is third question. So I don't have sufficient space. I'm writing third question solution over there. First, read the question yourself. Population of Sundarnagar was 2,35,471. I hope you understood. Population of Sundarnagar was how much we can say? 2,35,471. In which year? In the year 1991. In the year 2001, it was found to be have increased. It was found to be have increased 72,000. What we can say? 72,958. 72,958. Okay, very simple. Then what is the population of the city in 2001? What is the population of city in 2001? Actually, in 1991, population was 2,35,471. Whereas in the year 2001, it was found to be increased by this much. Increased by this much. Then total what is the present population in the sense? Simply first what we can write in the year 1991. In the year 1991, population. So in the year 1991, so population is what we can say 2,35,471. 2,35,471. Now in the year 2001, how much it is increased? 72,958 increased. 72,958 increased. So adding all, simply you are going to get the answer. Here 9 we are going to get. So 12 we are going to get, which means 14 you are going to get. So again 8 you are going to get. Anyhow this is 10 and 1 means 3. So simply what we can say 3,08,429. 3,08,429. I hope you understood. Simply we have to add all these. You are going to get the answer. So this is what we can say question number 3. When compared to 1, 2, 3, 4 exercises, so fifth exercise is having some more number of questions, and almost all the questions are word problems only. All are word problems only. Okay, but very easy. Try to understand. If you cannot understand, again you can pause the video and you can again rewatch. From again question number 1 onwards you can watch. Okay. Right, now let us discuss next question. Now we will be discussing question number 4. Question number 4 we are discussing. Let's see fourth question. What is fourth question? A book exhibition was held 4 days in a school. The number of tickets sold at the counter on the first day, second day, third day and final day was respectively 1094, 1812, 2050 and 2751. What is the total number of tickets sold on all the 4 days? So I am not explaining this question, okay, because you know already. Very simple. A book exhibition was held 4 days in a school. Exhibition was held 4 days in a school. Okay, very good. The number of tickets sold each and every day. What here? First day, second day, third day, fourth day. First day this much, second day this much, third day this much, fourth day this much. Adding all, you are going to get the answer. Very simple. You can try this question from your side. Okay, I hope you understood. You can try fourth question from your side. By adding all, you are going to get the answer. Now we are going to see question number 5. Okay, question number 5 we are going to see. The town newspaper is published every day. Okay, town newspaper is published every day. One copy has 12 pages. Okay, now one particular copy. So if you take only one copy has total how many pages? 12 pages. Okay, very good. One copy has 12 pages. Every day 11,980 copies are printed. Wow. Every day 11,980 copies was printed, and each copy is having how many pages? 12 pages. Okay, how many pages are in all printed every day and every month? Every day we have to find, every month we have to find. Okay, no issue. So once again read yourself. Very easy question. A town newspaper is published every day. One copy has 12 pages. So every day 11,980 copies are printed. So total copies are how many? We have here 11,980 copies. Therefore, how many pages are in all printed every day? How many pages are in all printed every day? So every day means simply what you have to do? Every day means total 11,980 copies. Each is having how many pages? Each copy is having 12 pages. If you multiply this, you are going to get the total number of printed pages in every day you are going to get. So you must know 12 table, that's all. You must know 12 table. 12 zeros 0, 12 eights are 96 you are getting. Okay. Then after 12 nines are 108. 108 means we have 117. So 7 and we have 11 here. Then 12 ones are 12, which means 23. Okay. Then 12 ones are 12, therefore 14. So simply what we can say 143760. This is what we can say total number of pages every day. Total number of pages every day. Total number of pages every day. Okay, very good. And every month also. Every month again very simple. Very, for example, if you take one question, let's say for better understanding, I am telling one pen cost is equal to, let's say for example 60 rupees. If when one pen cost equal to 60 rupees, then for example 3 pens cost is equal to how much? Means what you will do? Simply 60 into 3 we will do. Okay, unitary method we are doing. That is called unitary method. One pen cost is equal to 60 rupees, then 3 pens equal to how much? Means 60 into 3. 60 into 3 means simply how much you are going to get? 180 rupees you are going to get. Same way only you are going to follow. Same way only we are going to discuss even in this question also. Okay, now let's see. So every month we have to find. Every month means 1 month. In particular month, how many pages? 143760. Okay, 1,43,760. Usually a month is having how many days will take? 30 days will take. Okay, now until unless he mentioned. For example, specifically mentioned February month, January month, or October month, or November month, accordingly will take. So there is nothing he mentioned means usually every month is having how many days will take? 30 days will take. That's why every month means so here simply 1,43,760. This 1,43,760 multiplying with 30 days, you are going to get the answer. Now let's see. Okay, so again, or else 0, we do one thing for better, or else since you are in 6th standard, we will discuss like this only. Or else you can remove these 2 zeros, you can write lateral, you can add these 2 zeros later also. We do one thing, don't consider these 2 zeros. Don't consider these 2 zeros, we can keep 2 zeros later. Now with 3 we have to multiply. So 3 6 are how much? 18. So 3 7s are 21 means you are going to get a 22. 3 3s are 9 means 11 you are going to get. 3 4s are 12 means 13 you are going to get. 3 1s are 3 means 4 you are going to get. For this simply what you have to do, we have to insert 2 zeros. So I hope you understood. Simply what you are getting 4312800. 4312800 you are getting. So these many pages means after 3 zeros, after 3 to 2 digits, 43 lakhs 12,800 pages. 43 lakhs 12,800 pages are printing in a month. Whereas here 1,43,760 pages are printing in every, what we can say, day, every day. That's all. Now we are going to see question number 6. Now we are going to see question number 6. Sixth question we are going to discuss. What it is? A mission on an average manufactures 2,825 screws a day. How many screws did it produce in the month of January 2006? Again, this I am not telling. Once observe here, I am going to explain orally. A mission on an average manufactures. So mission manufactures how much here? 2,825 screws every day. But how many screws did it produce in the month of January 2006? So we know already 2006 is non-leap year. Even though it is leap year or non-leap year, January month is having simply 31 days. So one day these many screws. Then in the month of 31 days, how many means? You have to multiply with 31. If you multiply with 31, you are going to get the answer. Very simple. Can't you multiply, my dear students? My dear 6th class children, can't you multiply these two? Multiplication is very easy. So just to multiply, you are going to get the answer. Very simple question. Very simple question. Wherever concepts are, high concepts are there, obviously we are going to discuss in detail. Okay, here waste of time. If I discuss all these questions, video will become 1 hour or 1.5 hour. You may not be comfortable with that. Okay, I hope you understood. Now we are going to see question number 7. Question number 7 we are going to see. Okay, 7th question we will be discussing. Read yourself 7th question and once observe how to do. A famous cricket player has so far scored 6,978 runs in the test matches. He wishes to complete 10,000 runs. He wishes to complete what we can say 10,000 runs. Okay, very good. He wishes to runs are 10,000. How many more runs does he need? How many more runs does he need? Can't you answer this question also? Very simple. Okay, let's see. I repeat the question. A famous cricket player has so far scored. So what about his score? 6,978. Okay, and he wishes to complete how much? 10,000 runs. So if he wishes to complete 10,000 runs, how many more runs does he need? Means we should add the number which should be added to this number to make it 10,000, or else for 6,978 we should add some number in order to get 10,000, or else from 10,000 we subtract this. If you subtract this number from 10,000, if you subtract, let me take here what is the number, 10,000. For this number, send the 10,000, if you subtract 6978, you are going to get the answer, subtraction. So borrowing 10 here, so means you are going to get 2 here, again 9 minus 7. 9 minus 7 means 2 you are going to get, again borrow 10 here, so 10 here, sorry, again 9 is there here, okay, borrowing 10 here, again 9 you are going to get, 9 minus 9 means 0 you are going to get. So finally here how much we have, 9 we have, 9 minus 6 means 3 you are going to get, anyhow 0, or you are going to get 0 you are going to get here, need not to write. Okay, you should know simply subtraction, borrowing 10, borrowing 10, every case borrowing 10, you will get the answer, very simple. Subtracting 6,978 from 3,000, from what we can say, subtracting 6,978 from 10,000, you are going to get the answer. Therefore cricketer has to made these many runs in order to score 10,000 runs. Okay, I hope you understood. Now we are going to discuss question number 8. Question number 8 we are going to see. What is the 8th question? Once observe what is 8th question. So Ravish has 78,592 with him. Very good. Ravish is having how much here? 78,000, right? Okay, 78,592 with him. He placed an order for purchasing 39 radio sets at 1, 2, 3, 4 each, means 1,234 each. How much money will remain with him after the purchase? Very simple. Ravish have total this much of money. How much? 78,592 rupees he is having. Okay. He placed an order of how much here? For purchasing 39 radios, each having how much here? 39 radios, each having 1,239. For this, we are going to find out the total radio cost. Total radio cost we are going to find. Total radios cost we are going to find. So actually how much here? Each radio he is having 1,234. Like how many radios here? 39 radios. If you multiply this, you are going to get one value. Let's see. 9 4s are how much here? 36. Then 9 3s are 27 means 30 you are going to get. 30 you are going to get. So 9 2s are 18. 18 means 21 you are going to get. So 9 1s are 9 means 11 you are going to get. Okay. So here 3 4s are 12. 3 4s are 12. So 3 3s are 9 means 10 you are going to get. 3 2s are 6 means 7 you are going to get. So 3 1s are what we can say? 3. 3 1s are 3. So here 6 we have, here 2 we have, here 1 we have, 8 we have, and here 4 we have. Okay. So simply what we can say? 48,120 rupees he spent. Now remaining amount, we have to find out the remaining amount. In order to find out the remaining amount, what we have to do? Let us find the remaining amount here. I want to use the space. I hope you are comfortable with this. Now we have to find out the remaining amount. In order to find out the remaining amount, total how much he is having? So total is having 78,592. From this 78,592, how much you have to subtract? 48,126 we have to subtract. 48,126 we have to subtract. Now you are going to get the required number of money with him. Total number of money left with him you are going to get. Okay. Runs up the here. So here borrow 10. 12 minus 6 means you are going to get 6. 8 we have. So 8 minus 2 means 6 you are going to get. 5 minus 1 means 4 you are going to get. 8 minus 8 means 0 you are going to get. 7 minus 4 means 3 you are going to get. Therefore this much money left with the Ravish. That is 30,466. 30,466. 30,466. So I hope you understood the answer for this question. Okay. Now we are going to see question number 9. Next question we are going to see. Let's see question number 9. Question number 9 we are going to see. What is the 9th question? In an election, the successful candidate registered 5,77,000, right? 5,77,570. Okay. 5,77,570 votes. And his nearest rival secured simply what we can say 3 lakhs 48,685. 600 what we can say 85. I hope you understood. By what margin did the successful candidate win the election? Okay, very good question. So I hope you understood how to answer this question. Once read the question yourself, you will have idea. Once read the question yourself, you are going to have some idea. Okay, what is the question actually? Initially successful candidate got how many votes? 5,77,570 votes. For example, you take one person. So one person is there. This one person is getting 5,77,570 votes. And one more person is there. He is a loser. He is getting what we can say simply 3,48,685. So how much majority did he won? Ante simply what you have to do, you have to subtract these votes. You have to subtract successful votes minus loser votes. Okay, successful person votes minus loser votes, you are going to get the majority. In order to get the answer, simply what you have to do, from 5,77,570 you have to subtract 3,48,685. Okay, we'll write an order. In order to get the subtraction easily, we write in proper 3 lakhs, we have 48,685. Okay, now we are going to subtract this subtraction, then only you are going to get the majority. Simple. Borrow 10 here, you are going to get 5. So here 6 left. Again borrow 10 here, 16. 16 minus 8 means you are going to get again what we can say 8. Then how much left here? 6 left. Again borrow 10. 16 minus 8 means 8 you are going to get. Okay, so here simply next how much left here? Again borrow 10. I hope you understood. 348. Is it right? 348 685. Okay, then how much left here? 5 minus 3 means 2 left here. So here again here something is missing. 6 is there, sorry. 6 minus 4 means how much left here? 2 left. Subtraction, very simple. If you know subtraction, you are going to get the answer very easily. So here simply 5 minus 3 means 2 you are going to get. Once again observe here, borrow 10 here. 10 minus 5 means 5. Okay, very good. Now again borrow 10 here. So 6 left, 16. 16 minus 8 means 8. Again borrow 10 here. So 14. 14 minus 8 means 14 minus borrow 10. 10 means 14. 14 minus here how much here? 6. Means again how much you are going to get? 8. Okay. Then here 6 left. 6 minus 4 means 2. 5 minus 3 means 2. Okay. 22,800. 22,000. Am I telling correctly? Once observe why this much why I am getting only 20,000? Why I am getting only 22,000? Once observe here. Why I am getting only 22? There 5 lakhs we have, here 3 lakhs we have. So simply if you borrow 10 here, 5 we are going to get. Okay, if you again borrow 10 here, again 8 you are going to get. If you again borrow 10 here, so you are going to get 8 here. Okay, then after if you borrow 10 here, okay, one more 8 you are going to get, sorry. Then you are going to get simply 2 here, and finally 2 also you are going to get. Therefore 2,28,885. 2,28,885. I hope you understood. Subtraction, simply subtraction, nothing else. This question involves only subtraction, nothing is there. This question involves only subtraction, nothing is there. Now we are going to see next question. Just a second, my marker is struck. Okay. Now we are going to see next question. So let's see question number 10. Now we are going to discuss question number 10. To stitch shirts. Okay. To stitch shirts. To stitch a shirt 2 meters 15 centimeters. Okay, na? 2 meters 15 centimeters cloth is needed. 2 meters 15 centimeters cloth is needed in order to stitch what we can say 2 meters 15 centimeters cloth is needed. Out of 40 meters cloth, how many shirts can be stitched and how much cloth will be remain? Okay, Very simple. Here units are different. Here we have some in terms of meters. Here we have some in terms of meters and centimeters. All we are going to convert in single units. I repeat, to stitch a shirt 2 meters 15 centimeters out of 40 meters. Out of 40 meters, cloth is required here. 40 meters means we know already 1 meter. Okay, 1 meter means how many centimeters? 1 meter means we can say 100 centimeters. Now that's why 40 meters. 40 meters means simply what we can say, 40 into 100 means 4000 centimeters. Therefore, total available cloth is how much here? 4000 centimeters. And each shirt is how much? How much of length cloth is required here? 2 meters 15 centimeters, which means what does it mean? 2 meters means again 200 centimeters you can take, right? 200 and plus 15, 200 plus 15, total how much you are going to get? 215 centimeters. Therefore, the question is how many shirts can be stitched? Means you have to divide. How many shirts can be stitched means what you have to do? 4000 is divided by 215. So if you divide that, you are going to get the answer. Okay, let us divide. So first with 5 table you can cancel. 5 4s are 5 3s are 5 8s are 40, 5 8s are 40. Then we have 2 zeros. Okay, that's all. Simply what you have to do, 800 we have to divide with a 43 table. 43 ones are, you are going to get 43 here. 43 means difference is we have 7 and we have 3, 37, which means 350, 370, sorry, 370 we have. Next, so observe here 43, here we have 370 means, for example, if you take 43 8 times, a 43 8 times means 320, 24. So we are getting 344. Okay. So I hope you understood. Simply multiply 43 into 8. You are going to get 43 into 8 means you are going to get 344. Again do the subtraction. So here borrow 10, you are going to get 6 here, you are going to get 2 here, that's all, 26. So 26 you are going to get. Means what does it mean? What is the integer value you are getting? 18. Therefore 8, in order to go to the next step, actually the remainder 26 is lesser than 43. That's why this is the remainder. In order to proceed this, I need to keep decimal point. Okay, that's why simply what we can say, initially total 18 shirts can be stitched. And apart from that, how much left? How much left means still here 26 left. Okay, na 26 left out of what we can say, 26 left out of 43. 26 left out of 43. Now this also we can convert into what we can say, meters. Okay, it is already in meters. Now this also we can this is what we can say in meters or centimeters. We are converting this into centimeters and this also into what we can say, centimeters. So all are in centimeters. So if you divide this, you are going to get the answer. If you divide this, you are going to get the answer. Simply if you keep the decimal point here, what we can write? 260 we can write, right? So 18 sheets are fixed. If you keep this, you are going to get 260. So 260 means again how many times? 43. Will it go 4 times? No. I hope you understood. Total number of shirts are how many? 18 shirts. There is no issue with 18 shirts. Remaining how much cloth left here? 26 parts of the cloth left. Remainder is equal to what we can say, 26. But the question is what? Still how much cloth is left, he mentioned here. How much cloth is left? Simply what to do? How much cloth is left means what you are going to do? Any idea? Any idea? Any idea? Yes, simply what you do, convert this. You are going to divide, no issue. You are going to divide. If you divide, you are going to get the answer. You divide, you are going to get the answer. So for example, again you are going to take in terms of decimal points. You are going to get the answer in terms of decimal points. 43 again continuation 0. Okay, means you are going to get 260 here. You are going to get 260. So 260 means how much you are going to get? Simply, any idea? Simple. This question involves you should know perfect division. Perfect division you should know. So 260 divided by 43. 260 divided by 43 means approximately, yes, 6 times it will go. 6 times it will go. Okay, 6 times means how much you are going to get? 18, 24, 25. So 258. Okay, am I right? So 6 3s are 18, 6 3s are 18, 6 3s are 18. So somewhere it is stucking. Am I doing correctly? It's perfectly right only. Up to this, okay. 4000 centimeters, okay. Here 250 centimeters, okay. How many total number of sheds means? Simply we are getting what we can say 800. One small correction. Okay, okay. 800. 800 divided by what we can say 43. You are going to get 18 point something. 18 point something you are going to get. Okay, so 18 point something means if you keep some decimal point 260 you are going to get. So 260 means 43 6 times 6 3s are 18, 6 4s are 24 plus 1 25 258. Okay, here we have simply what we can say 258 right only 258. 258. Just a second. 258. 258 means how much left here? Simply 2 left here. So this keep on going. So how much left here? 0.06 worth cloth is left here. That's all. 0.06 worth cloth is left. So I hope you understood. Simply you have to do the division. Simply you have to do the division. That's all. Nothing else. Okay. Now we are going to discuss next question. Question number 10 is also finished. Now we are going to see question number 11. Question number 11 we are going to see. Okay. These are three questions left. 11th question, 12th question, 13th question. Three questions left. We are going to discuss all these three questions. So a vessel has 4 liters and 650 milliliters. 4 liters and 650 milliliters of curd. In how many glasses each of 25 milliliter capacity can be distributed? Very simple. So here milliliters is there. Here we have liters and milliliters. We are going to convert all in terms of milliliters only. So here simply one thing is we know 1 liter. 1 liter is equal to what we can say 1000 milliliters. 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliters we can say. Then how much we have? Here we have 4 liters. Okay, just a second. Here we have 4 liters. Then we have 650 milliliters. If you convert 4 liters means simply 4000 milliliters. 4000 milliliters plus 650. 4650 milliliters. So how many bottles are required means required total number of bottles is equal to what you will do simply division. So total by each bottle capacity is what we can say 25. Each bottle is capacity simply 25. If you divide that you are going to get the answer. You should know division, proper division you should know. Okay, light. Let us change this color. So normal division directly you can cancel 25 table or else 5 5s are 25, 5 9s are 45, 5 3s are 15. Then again 5 left here. So 5 1s are 5, 5 means 4 left. So 5 8s are 40, then 5 6 are 30. Therefore total number of required bottles are how many? 186 bottles are we can fill. In 186 bottles we can fill. In 186 bottles we can fill. Now question number 12. Medicine is packed in boxes, each such box weighing 4 kg 500 grams. So 4 kg what we can say 500 grams. We know already 1 kg means 1000 grams. 4000 grams plus 500. 4500 grams we have. Okay. How many such boxes can be loaded in a van which cannot carry beyond 800 kgs? Which cannot carry beyond what we can say 800 kgs. Very simple. Here also normal division. Here also what we can say normal division. 800 kgs. 800 kgs we are converting into again grams. 800 into 1000. By here what we can say 4500 grams. 4500. For these two zeros, so 2 zeros will be cancelled. With the 5 table, 5 9s are 45, 5 2s are 10, 200. So here 200 into 8 means we are having 1600. 1600 divided by 9. 9 ones are 9, 7 left means 70. 9 sevens are 63. So again 7 left means 70. 9 sevens are 63. Again you should not keep decimal point because it cannot carry beyond 800 kgs. That's why this is the at most capacity. At most required number of what we can say boxes. How many such boxes are required means 177 boxes are required. 177 boxes are required. 177 boxes are required. I hope you understood. Okay, this is the answer for this question. Now we are going to see 13th question, which is last question in this exercise. Okay, 13th question, which is last one. What is 13th question? The distance between the school and the house of a student is 1 kilometer 875 meters. Every day she walks both ways between her school and home. Find the total number of distance covered by him in a week. Very simple question. Okay. So here simply first primarily what you should know is 1 kilometer. Units are very important. The main intention of this exercise is units. Conversion of kgs to grams, grams to milligrams, liters to milliliters, and all these things conversions are important. Okay. So 1 kilometers means you know already 1000 meters. So here we have 1 kilometer and 875 meters. 875 meters, which means what we can say 1875. 1875 meters total distance is traveling in only one way, and both ways. Both ways means what you have to do? You have to multiply 2 times. So 1875 both ways means while going this much distance, while coming also same distance. That's why if you multiply with by 2, you are going to get the distance covered by that particular person in one day. You are going to get 2 5s are 10, 2 7s are 14 means 15 you are going to get, 2 8s are 16 means 17 you are going to get, 2 1s are 2 means 3 you are going to get. So this is the distance covered by that particular that particular girl in one day. But the question is what in a week? We know already a week is having how many days? 7 days. That's why what you do? 3750 into 7. With the 7 you have to multiply. So 7 zeros, 7 5s are 35 here, 7 7s are 49 means 52 you are going to get, 7 3s are 21 means 26 you are going to get. Therefore you are getting 26250. 26250 what we can say meters. 26250 meters means what you can write? 26 kilometers and 250 meters you can write. 26 kilometers and 250 meters you can write. So I hope you understood. Okay, na? That's all. So this is the what we can say complete exercise regarding fifth exercise. In the main intention of this fifth exercise is units. Conversion of units from liters to milliliters, kgs to grams to milligrams. Okay, this is what you should know. I hope you understood. Once again you can watch this video and you are going to get the perfection. Okay, in the coming sessions we are going to discuss very good number of concepts. Very good concepts we are going to see. At the time will become the master in this. Okay, so thank you. See you in the next exercise.